and welcome to my platform, and thank you for watching my channel. Please do remember to subscribe, share if you care, and hit the notification bell.
Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is King Nandi and thank you so much for joining me. I'm very happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be doing wall decor using paper plates. I'm going to have two sizes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one, the bigger one, to make sure it matches the size of the smaller one. I didn't have the exact sizes. I bought from two different vendors, so that's why the sizes are not the same. So I'm just simply going to cut around here to make it the same size, or I might just leave it the same, the actual size it is, we'll see. But that's what we're going to be making today. I'm going to spray paint it red just to make the room pop, because I just thought it would be a nice color. I'm also going to be putting foam balls, so different sizes, and I'm going to see how that looks, whether I like it or not. It's something new, different. I just thought, hey, my creative juices are flowing, why not? Please do hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and also do share if you care. Let's get started.
Hi! So today I decided to make a beautiful wall art piece. Now I wanted something glam, I wanted to make a statement in the room, and I also wanted a pop of color, so I chose red. So red is the theme for today. So I went and I bought these foam boards. I got 3 of them, and they were just the right size for the wall that I wanted. And then I used paper towel to put in between the foam boards so that I'm able to glue it and not make a mess underneath. So after I put these together, I took my glue gun, my hot glue gun, and then I started gluing the boards together. And after I glued the boards together, I then took my paper plates, the ones that are shaped like a hexagon, and I placed them nicely so that they are kind of sitting in a way that would cover the whole board. And it would kind of flow nicely, and it would be equal amounts of paper plates. After I did that, I took my hot glue gun and then I started pasting them onto the boards. It took quite some time to do this, but it ended up looking perfect, and I love the hot glue gun because the glue dries up so quickly and it's very secure. Now, if you haven't already, please do remember to subscribe, like, and share if you care. Now at the bottom, I cut the paper plates in half so that it can fit nicely and it has a nice straight edge. Now once I did that, I let it dry, and then I took these balls, these styrofoam balls that I bought at the hardware store, or rather the craft store, and I bought different sizes because I wasn't quite sure. I didn't want it to be all the same size. I wanted a bit of variety and depth. So I got all different sizes and I started sticking them on to the board with, or rather the paper plates, with a hot glue gun. I wish I had something that I had covered the balls with because the spray paint kind of made them shrink, but it still came out okay. Now I randomly put these balls all over the board because I wanted it to have not an organized look. And there you can see I was done putting the balls all over the show, and it had a bit of, I don't know, a little bit of chaos, but also a little bit of order, I don't know, but I really liked how it came out. Now I took my spray paint, I got this really beautiful red color, and I'm gonna spray paint it all over the board. I'm gonna do this outside, and I just put some cardboard underneath so that I don't stain, or rather paint my grass. And I used a glove that was just for one finger, although you don't have to, but I just didn't want to get my nails painted, and yeah, but it worked out fine without the glove as well. Now I sprayed the entire board. It took a while, but it was a lot of fun. I loved seeing this come together. It was just too nice, too nice. What I loved about this, it looked very professional and it looked like something that you would get at an art store. Now there it is, all done and dried up. I put it up against the wall just to see how it would sit. I had to decide how far up I was going to put it, so I put it pretty far up. And what I did was I turned it around and I got these double-sided tape which holds 80 kilograms. So I wanted to get a tape that was very secure, but I would just like to say that when you use this tape, you must put it around the entire board and not just one place or two places, but I would recommend putting it around the entire board. I didn't do that at first and I did see the consequences. My board did fall down. So I went and I bought some more and I put it around the whole perimeter of the board. So I would recommend buying about 3 of those just to have the whole thing secured. Now you can see it's up and I really loved how it looked, but I just felt like I needed to change the top just to give it a bit more character. And it looked absolutely beautiful in the living room. As you can see, the pop of color is definitely there. So this is what I did, and this was the final look. You can see at the top there, I removed some of them and it gave that sort of graded step feel. I really hope you liked this, and please do remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.